This video I am showing you how you can find 3D animals on Google. Firstly, open your Google app or Chrome browser and then you can search for the animals like tiger, and then you can search it, and then in the search result you have to scroll down, and here you can find the meet a life-sized Bengal tiger up close. You can tap on the view in 3D under this option and you can see here Bengal tiger. So it is loading, so wait for some seconds or some minutes, and it after it will loads. So here you can by holding your one finger you can simply change this direction. You can move upward or downward this tiger, and you can also and by putting your two finger you can go close to this tiger, and you can also see this tiger with the clothes. And now if you so that's it, that how you can find 3D animals on Google. And when you swipe up, then you can see all these animals. You can also see all these animals 3D look or 3D view. So you can see all these animals, you can swipe and you can find all these animals 3D look. So that's it, that how you can see or find 3D animals on Google. So that's it, that how you can do this. And if you want to share it to your friends, you can simply tap on the share button, and then there is all social media platforms. You can share it to your WhatsApp, and you can share it to your Facebook group. You can share it to your Facebook on newsfeed. You can share to the chats and tweet you, and you can also send it to the Snapchat. So that's it, that how you can find 3D animals on Google. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.